September 30th, card opening. Another, so we'll turn it this way. Beautiful fall day. It's got to be in the high 60s. Leaves are falling down. No wind. Very warm day here. It's a card opening. First we have a mail day. And we'll save. No, we'll start this. I found this card. These are rare grades. A player I thought would be worth investing. Picked up a Cabron Hayes HGA 10. Just the base paper, but 10s are rather rare, and if he decides to turn it up, I think maybe worth a little something. And finally, a little preview. What will be entering the box of mystery is some Bowman Chrome. Anywho, let's get a rip in. UK. Another numbered parallel. I'll tell you, there has been a lot of good parallels in this. The base holds a lot more value than the base here. Don't cease. Haddock. Chapman. Colton Wallen, Jose Abreu, Takanaka, Pete Alonso, Rookie Cup, Shogo Akiyama, and Aaron Nola out of 50. What does that say there? It doesn't say anything, just royal purple, I imagine, or something like that. UK boxes are floating around 100, which I think is fairly reasonable for a value. You're not going to pull an auto, but you don't really need to pull an auto in there. And if you do, you're in good shape. Randy Johnson, D-back. Dalton Varsha. Tristan McKenzie. Ozzie Albies. Jose Canseco. Harry Walsh. Jeff Bagwell. Black border and a black birch. These aren't horrible to read. I don't think I really hate the idea behind them for a debut. But for those who are frustrated that they wanted baseball cards. Franklin, Vargas, Diener, Shane Bays for Heat, Bo Naylor, Valdez, Wonky, Avia Campbell. This is definitely a set to sit on. I feel it's like a set that you have to sit on even more so than in our Heritage Minor League. Chrome. This is from the Chrome Light box. Got one of those maybe cards. Edward Escobar, Max Scherzer, Dane Dunning, and Brian Braxton. That's not a bad looking card. If I get a rookie on this, I would be pretty happy. Like, it's got the rainbow. You have to tell me what you think of this, but I think it's a pretty good looking card. I could argue that that box is better than the normal hobby. Smith, Nick Madrigal, looks very, just a prism. Reese Hawkins, copper donor or something, out of 40. Tyler Glasnow and Luis Robert Illuminations. The Prism Quick Pitch has been a very good box too, regardless of the Alec Bohm auto numbered card I pulled. I'm on day 3 of CME right now. It's going pretty good. Enjoy this week. Tim Anderson, Anthony Rizzo, Clayton Kershaw, Blue Donut. 199, Freddie Freeman, and Kristen Yelich. And finally, thought I'd open it. We have the world's largest box loader. No, I'm definitely not a rip card. So no triple rip card here. I've seen these very rarely autographed. Mookie Betts. So we know that it's because it's Mookie Betts, it's definitely not autographed. Here's a company sign, so Mookie Betts never signs. Trout only signs the tops. And some other one person. That's all I can think of off my head. Anyway, that's it for card opening today. Mookie Betts box loader. I felt more aggressive. It might be a good one to try to offload online. It's a well designed card though. But probably the card I'm most happy with. A lot of parallels actually. Hopefully this one pays off. A 10, and I do not like Brian Buxton, but I definitely like the look of that card. Anyway, y'all take care.